Here at Valley News Live, we give you that first alert to weather that's going to be impactful to you. We've declared first alert weather days for this Colorado low that will come through on Wednesday and Thursday. And in the meantime, late after the weekend, a couple of clippers will also pass through with lower impacts there. But for Wednesday and for Thursday of next week, that Colorado low looks to be pretty potent. Now, models are in agreement to the basics of the track and the timing and even the breadth and broth of the storm as it works its way through. Here is the European model that's done a fairly good job. Now, I've paused this on Sunday. You can see that there's just a dusting of snow working its way through with an Alberta clipper. Thanks, Alberta. Oh, and because we like the first one so much, they're going to send another one that will be a little more widespread as we head into the beginning of our work week on your President's Day. So some Monday snow showers moving through could accumulate for some areas. And with these clippers, they oftentimes come with more blow than snow. And this one, too, could cause some travel trickery, at least while it's passing overhead. These are fast movers and will be out of here. Then we get a little break on Tuesday. Wednesday, a Colorado low develops. Notice this band of snow developing all the way through portions of South Dakota. It could snow for the better part of the day. This is Wednesday morning, 7 a.m. Snow across South Dakota, heavy in the southern part of the state from Sioux Falls through around Rochester to Minneapolis. The band of snow continues there throughout the day on Wednesday. So our southern counties by the afternoon drive on Wednesday could have impacts. That's why it's a first alert weather day. Then, as we head into your overnight hours, the intensity of the snow increases, particularly in our southern counties where you see these darker blue colors. Make no mistake about it, the big punch from this storm looks to come through central South Dakota and southern Minnesota. Our southern counties in particular will have some impacts from this the way it looks right now. North wind will dry the north, and we may not see much of anything up for you folks up there. We'll keep you posted to track and timing changes. But right now, because of a two-day event here, we could see some very elevated snowfall potential. Right now, we'll say there's a pretty decent chance of more than 6 inches of snow across portions of South Dakota, and our southern counties, I-94 and Point South, have a chance at being in that. We will keep you up to date with the latest. We'll bring you the changes, but it's that first alert or heads up to you that there are changes in the offing for the middle of next week, and they could very well be impactful. 6 below now in Fargo. Look at current conditions in Grand Forks, and we have the same temperature. Factor in the winds, it feels like it's around 10 to 20 below across our region. A few clouds to the west, and they're spreading in. While snow makes its way through the Great Lakes, it becomes ice and thunderstorms down in the south with flooding rains and even tornado and thunderstorm warnings today. Mighty mild down there. We are the cold spot in the nation's lower 48 here in Fargo at 6 below, and it's even colder than that in Thief River Falls and Hallock. 9 below there, 3 above in Wadena, and warmer temperatures out west will work our way overnight. So while the coldest temperatures will happen just after midnight, we'll see temperatures warmer than they are right now in the morning. But it's going to be windy and wind chilly in the morning. So bundle up your Friday morning bus riders. Then the heat is on, but folks, it's going to be a very breezy day, gusts 15 to 30 miles per hour. Speaking of 30, we will see some 30s for our day tomorrow. Chance of snow north of Highway 2 as a Alberta clipper skirts our northern counties. Insignificant snowfall amounts. So a review, your snapshot forecast at 3 in the afternoon, upper 20s and all the way up to mid 30s to the west. Planning forecast. Saturday looks delightful. Sunday's clipper will cool us off in the afternoon. Falling temperatures on Monday and Tuesday, pretty cold as that second clipper makes its way through. And there's the days we're watching for some enhanced snowfall totals. This system, you know, my guts tell me it could have the potential to make feet of snow in portions of South Dakota. Ooh. It will be a big storm and impact regional travel. We'll keep you on top of it.
Depends on where exactly it ends up going.
Right.
Thanks, Sach.
Yeah.